How to knit the yarn over bind off. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you a super simple but very stretchy bind off method, the yarn over bind off. It creates a very neat edge for cuffs and hems where you need that little bit of extra give. Let's show you how to knit it. So you start the way you normally would when you bind off, by knitting 2 regular knit stitches. And now you pass the second stitch over the first one, and here you add a yarn over, a simple yarn over, which you use to bind off that remaining stitch. And that's already it. From here you knit another stitch, pass over the second stitch, add a yarn over, and bind that off straight away. Knit 1 stitch, pass over, add a yarn over, and pass over again. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. And the result will be a super stretchy edge, perfect for toe-up socks or so. Just pay attention here for the last stitch. Obviously, you shouldn't add a yarn over here after you bound off that last stitch, because where would it go? Just pull it out the regular way, and there is your bind off edge. Anyway, that's how to knit the yarn over bind off. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and of course don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.